Okay guys, it's Debbie from What's Mama Cooking For Us, and today I'm making some fresh watermelon water. And I don't add sugar to mine, but you can if you want, and I'll tell you as we go. So I got a nice frosted glass I got in the freezer, some watermelon, some lemon. I'd rather have lime, but lemon will work. Right here in my container, lasting in there for like 2 weeks. Some chunks to put in, and a nice pitcher. Okay, and I'm going to use my Ninja, so let's get started. So we're going to put the chunks in there, you guys can see. And I'm going to do about 4 cups, 3 to 4 cups, and then some water. We're going to start with 1 cup. Yeah, because I don't want it to overflow, but really, there's no real measurements, just, you know, oh, you have to line this thing up. All right, let me get that. It was easier than I thought. I forgot I had to put this up. And then you just push this down. And they have a release button right here on the Ninja. I love this Ninja. And then you just lock it into place. And I'll show you that once you lock it, it turns on automatically. And we are going to hit blend. And this is, it has an IQ of its own. But I think that's good. So, this Ninja is so cool, but it does have like an IQ system in there, and you just push the button and it does it until it's done. So I think we're all mixed. Let's see, yeah. So you push the release button. This comes off so easy. Look at that. I love this Ninja. Okay, so we're gonna get our glass pitcher. And we're going to take this out because we don't need this. And you can take the foam off the top, but I do not because I want all the nutrients. You can actually strain this if you want, but I don't want to either because I want all the nutrients. And I actually wrote down all the nutrients that are in watermelon so I could tell you guys. So let me see. It helps your immune system. It helps prevent heart attacks and strokes. It's an anti-inflammatory. It's a natural diuretic. It strengthens bones, reduces cancer and body fat, and it strengthens your immune system. And I mean, it's got so much more in it, but I just wanted to tell you. So look at that. Beautiful. I'm not sure if I'm going to make a little bit more, but we'll see. I'm going to put some chunks of watermelon in there because I like to eat those later, and plus it, you know, they'll just make it taste better. And I started to say you can strain this if you want, but you don't have to. I don't see no need to. And I wish I had lemons or limes. I just said that, but I got lemons, so we're gonna put them in. And this is so healthy and so refreshing and so good for you. And I was telling you guys when I was chopping up the watermelon, if you caught that video, that, I mean, it just has so much, 82% of watermelon is water, so there's just so great if you don't like to drink water. I love water, and I drink water all the time, but look at that, beautiful. So, and you can keep this right in your fridge. Actually, you might want to put it in your fridge and then serve it, you know, after it chills. But my glass has been in the freezer in the ice. So let's fill this baby up. I don't want to get all the ice in there, but look at that, you guys. So I'll probably drink about half of this, and then I'll probably, what do you call it? Let me put a couple of lemons in mine. Put the top on it. We got one of these cats. Just keep it in the fridge. Look at that. The ice is probably all stuck in there because it was frozen. But, and I didn't have no seeds in this watermelon. But if you do buy a watermelon, even if it's seedless, sometimes there's seeds. You can strain it through, you know, your strainer. So, let's give this a taste. Ooh, that's good and so refreshing. So, yeah, give this a try, guys. I mean, I was going to tell you, forgot to tell you, and I knew I was going to do it. If you want to add sugar, I would add about a quarter to a half a cup. You can add sugar, you don't have to. It's up to you. But it tastes so good and it's so sweet. But you can make a simple syrup out of half sugar and half water. So do like a half a cup of water, half a cup of syrup. Bring it to a boil, let it cool, and pour it in there. But actually, you guys, you don't need it. You really don't. Just try it like this first, and then put a little in and see if you need it. But I promise you don't. And this could be so refreshing. Your kids will love it because it's so hard to get kids to drink healthy drinks. Did that come out right? It's so hard to get kids to drink healthy drinks that this is a healthy one. And it's so refreshing. And on a hot day like today up here in upstate New York, it is hot. It's muggy. So you guys give this a try. I promise you'll love it without the sugar. But if you need the sugar, go ahead and add it. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.